Welcome to our channel where timeless style meets modern innovation. Today, we are diving into the world of Timex watches, a brand known for its rich heritage, affordable luxury, and iconic designs. From the rugged Expedition series to the retro inspired Q Timex collection, Timex offers something for everyone. Whether you're an adventurer, a fashion enthusiast, or a fan of classic timepieces, join us as we explore the craftsmanship, history, and versatility of these incredible watches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite Timex model in the comments. Let's get started. Number 5, Timex Fairfield Supernova Leather Band Chronograph Watch. The watch is a stunning blend of modern design and classic functionality. Its sleek, minimalist dial features a striking supernova color palette with a sunray finish that catches the light beautifully. The chronograph function adds practicality, allowing you to time events with precision, while the date window at 4 o'clock keeps you organized. Encased in polished stainless steel and protected by mineral glass, this watch is both durable and stylish. The genuine leather strap, available in complementary colors, offers a comfortable fit and a touch of sophistication, making it perfect for both casual and formal occasion. Powered by reliable quartz movement, the Fairfield Supernova ensures accurate timekeeping with minimal maintenance. Water resistant up to 30 meters, it's suitable for everyday wear but not for swimming. With its bold yet refined aesthetic, the Timex Fairfield Supernova Leather Band Chronograph watch is a standout accessory for those who appreciate contemporary design and timeless functionality. Number 4, Timex Command Shock Digital 54 mm. The watch is a rugged, high-performance watch built to withstand the toughest conditions. Designed for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, it features a shock-resistant case that meets military standards, ensuring durability in extreme environments. The large 54 mm case houses a digital display with a built-in thermometer, chronograph, countdown timer, and multiple alarms, making it a versatile tool for any activity. Its Indiglo backlight ensures clear visibility in low light conditions, while water resistance up to 200 meters makes it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and water sports. The Command Shock is powered by a reliable quartz movement and includes a resin strap for comfort and resilience. Number 3, Timex Intelligent Quartz Depth Gauge. The Timex watch is a cutting-edge timepiece designed for diving enthusiasts and water sports lovers. This innovative watch features a built-in depth gauge that measures water depth up to 80 meters, making it an essential tool for safe and accurate diving. Its robust stainless steel case and mineral glass crystal ensure durability, while water resistance up to 200 meters guarantees reliability in underwater environments. The digital display provides clear readings of depth, dive time, and temperature, alongside standard timekeeping functions. Powered by advanced intelligent quartz technology, it combines precision with user-friendly functionality. The comfortable resin strap is both durable and secure, perfect for extended wear in water. Number 2, Timex MK1 Supernova. The watch is a bold and stylish timepiece that pays homage to classic military-inspired design while adding a modern twist. Its eye-catching supernova colorway features a vibrant dial with a sunray finish, creating a dynamic look that stands out. The durable stainless steel case and mineral glass crystal ensure resilience, while the easy-to-read dial includes large Arabic numerals and luminous hands for optimal visibility in any lighting. Powered by reliable quartz movement, the MK1 Supernova delivers precise timekeeping with minimal maintenance. The comfortable NATO strap, available in coordinating colors, adds a rugged yet fashionable touch, making it perfect for casual wear or outdoor adventures. Water resistant up to 50 meters, it's suitable for everyday use and light water activities. Number 1, Timex Q Timex Chronograph. The watch is a retro-inspired timepiece that captures the essence of 1970s style with a modern touch. Its iconic design features a stainless steel case with a distinctive circular bracelet, creating a seamless and eye-catching look. The dial showcases a unique Pepsi bezel, subdials for chronograph functions, and a date window, blending functionality with vintage charm. Powered by reliable quartz movement, it ensures accurate timekeeping and ease of use. The domed acrylic crystal adds to its nostalgic appeal, while water resistance up to 50 meters makes it suitable for everyday wear. The Q Timex chronograph's bold colors and retro aesthetic make it a standout accessory, perfect for those who appreciate classic design with a contemporary edge.